Hey guys, welcome to another One Wednesday! It's good to be back.
It's so good. We've got a little studio going on now.
Got a studio, it's in the making. It's obviously a bit higgledy-piggledy at the moment.
Sorry what?
Higgledy-piggledy.
Kind of just came up.
Means it's a bit all over the place. We're just getting things set up. But we need to get this filmed, so it needs to get done. So I hope you're well, hope you're good to be back at school. You're enjoying it. What do you think, Saffron? Are they enjoying it?
Probably seeing their friends, maybe not so much than that.
And you've got to be in your PE kit all day now, haven't you? If you've got PE, you've got to be in your kit all day.
Strange.
It's going to be. Anyway, right, Saffron, what's the challenge today?
So today's challenge is we have these balloons, and with these balloons we need to stack these 6 cups into one cup. So we need to blow air into it and then get it into the other cup, basically. First one to do all of that wins. The score is 7-11 to press. So the pressure is
7
on.
Saffron, 11 on me. So I'm good. I'm happy. Even if Saffron wins,
It's gonna take his
good.
time. He's just like, yeah, it doesn't really
It's good.
matter.
It's good. It's all good.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna go. So we stand here. Okay. I want to get my hair out.
I don't know why she's getting serious.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
In 3. Oh. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. I was going for like the slow, don't knock it over, like you win. You were just going for it, didn't you?
We don't care. We thought I knocked it over a few times.
So annoying.
But there we go.
So annoying.
trying to get it all. But then I realised that was not going to work, is it?
That was so annoying.
12-7!